Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's day 3 of working on my minis in April. Still a working title, and I can never remember Beth's title that she's using, and she suggested because it's really good. But I'm good with just working through my April dailies, and I'm bringing $10 each day in April, which is super exciting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Double checking that. I got these dashboards and prop coins from Homebody Mama's Savings. I will have her linked below. Look at how cute these little coins are and all the dashboards. So adorable. So I have $8 in prop coins. I'm going to set that there for a second. Let's put our $10 in the bank. So excited to hop in here. It is Thursday night. Normally I don't tell you what night I'm filming because it's just I have a video every day and it's just poof, it's there. But I just had my launch for my Hogwarts Houses sparkly dice. And I just want to thank everybody for being so sweet, so supportive, and just so encouraging. I was very nervous for this one for some reason. I mean, I was just worked up. I didn't get everything done that I wanted to for the launch. So I'm pushing a few things back. But I had a really good time on my live. And I just want to shout out everybody that was there, and I just appreciate you guys so much. So thank you. All right, we're going to start on number 1. I've got my prop coins here, and I have my pink and lavender, and somebody said lavender last time. I think it was Beth, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And I forgot I could use this little guy. This was my little tray that was attached to my one I used in February, so it should work. Okay, well that didn't work, but oh my goodness, why are you flying out the side? There we go. 3 for number 1. We'll make it work. Somehow, some way. 3 for 2. 3 for 3. Love it. Wow, this rolls 3s. This doesn't happen on my live. My lives I roll once, except for tonight. I did not. I rolled a 2 and a 3, which is very exciting. There's the 1. 1 for 5. 1 for 6. Oh, that's right. I only have 6 envelopes this time. 1 for 1. Wow, spinning. 1 for 2. 1 for 3. Just wanted me to use my coins for a little longer. All right, 2 for number 4. I hope you guys are doing well. Happy Friday. 2 for 5. We have 4 left. 1 for 6. I'm using it. 2, and then our last one will go on number 2, and then we will start on number 3, which I'm going to put right now so I don't forget. All right, so let's see what we got going on here. Cheers. I don't have any of my markers out, but we'll figure out what we need. Oh my goodness. We have $2.25 on number 1. Okay, we only needed 75 cents. So we can, not today, Clucker. So this is from the Millennial Saver. Oops, sorry, cut off his head. All right, I am going to color these in and I'll be right back. Yay, we finished one. So I'm going to set that right there. We're going to grab a new one. And I did stuff my extras full. Ooh. All right, this one is from Becca Budget 777, and this will save us $6. Look at all those fun lemons. Love the blue and the white. Blue and white stripes, love. Okay, so we have we have $1.50 going in here. I want a different color. Let's do the dark blue. All right, so we have $1.50. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, and 50. Yay! It's a great start for day 3 of doing my minis and dailies, doing my mini dailies in April. All right. Oh my goodness. We have another 250. That's crazy. I love bringing $10 a day. All right. This one is from Beck. Okay. Do I have 2 Beccas? That's okay. I love Becca, so it totally works. So this is nice little homage to my sparkly dice that I launched tonight, my Hogwarts houses. This is from Becca Budget 777, and we can do 250. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50. All right, 75 cents, and this one will be done. All right, number 3. Oh my goodness. I love bringing $10 a day and having 50 cents and $1. All right, so we have $1.75 going into number 3. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets, and we only needed the 75 cents. And then let's mark these off. All right, this one will save us $4, or did save us $4. So we have $1 we can put into a new one. Let's see, we went to the back last time. Let's go towards the front. Let's see. Ooh, Kimmy's Corner. This is a Wednesday Night Live exclusive. I'm nicer than my face looks. All right, so we can do $1. So we'll do the whole top row, and I think I'm going to color in. You okay, bud? It's okay, Phoenix. You're okay. All right, I think I'm going to color in all the circles because I got Kimmy to color in the circles, and now she really likes it, so I'll be right back. All right, number 3 has $1. And my cute little bow that matches insanely perfectly with all of my items is from Jeanette's Journey and her Valentine's box. It's so pretty. Okay, number 4. Oh, look at that. Number 4 got $2. This is so fun. Okay. Oh, this is a little one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do $2 worth. My little Coke Zeros. 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50, 75, and $1. So we're halfway through this one. This will save us $5. All right, number 5 has 75 cents. And this one is from the traditional dollar. Oh, that's right. I forgot to fix this. So on day 1, I accidentally, when I was going through stuff, I left one of these to the side and I just gathered it up and when I should have put it away. So I'm putting it away and I'm just going to do the 50 cents and then we will be all caught up. And this one is from the traditional dollar. Hope she's doing well. TTD, I hope you're doing well. All right, so then number 6 got 75 cents. And oh, that's exactly what we needed. We finished another one. This is from Steps on a Budget. I need my green, and I will be right back. That was fun to color in. Love it. This is from Steps on a Budget, so I can put that there. We need a new one, but we don't have anything to add to it. So let's do, oh, this is from Danny at Craftco Budgets. I am a Gemini, so I will put that right there. All right, so let's put our prop coins back. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Yeah, this is fun doing 6 envelopes and bringing $10 a day. I was doing 8 envelopes, bringing $8 a day, which was nice. Still finished 66 in February, over $200 saved. That was awesome. But let's see what we can do for April. Did I say February? I meant March. We're in April. I'm really tired. I don't know anything that I just said. All right, so let's go. All right, so let's see. Oh, we have 3. All right, so we have 5, and 4 is 9, and 4 is $13. So let's grab our 13. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right. And then I go to the back and I keep all of my money in one spot. And at the end of the month, I do a little randomizer with it in left, right, center. And I put it towards spending money, bee binder, and shark binder. So it's really fun to be able to use this money towards fun things for me. All right, that is it for day 3. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.